Guys, we're working hard. Just look. Just look. It's already starting to transform. Just look. See all the big jackets. It's cold in here. I'm still warming up. I'm about to take my jacket off. I'm still acclimatizing. Let me make the call. How are you feeling about everything? Is it coming together?
Good, it's coming together.
You happy?
Getting there, slowly but surely.
Nobody's getting fired yet.
You are. Well, sorry, you can't get fired.
You can't fire the boss, man.
You can't fire the boss.
Yeah, it's getting there. It's starting to look good.
So can I borrow the scissors? Do you have the scissors? Can I borrow the scissors?
It's right there behind the two thingies. On the right corner. Corner of the right hand.
On
The very corner.
Oh, okay.
But guys, am I a woman of many talents or am I a woman of many talents? What am I? Many talents. Thank you very much.